Hello, welcome to Super Serious Cooking. This week, we're going to take this clear cup, pour rice into it, pour it in this metal container, and cook it with a rice cooker. Okay, but first, we should talk about rice math. What is rice math? Well, rice math. So normally, you will have 1 cup of rice equals 2 cups water. Now, so that just means you've got 1 cup of rice, so you need 2 cups of water in order to cook the 1 cup of rice. But our little container here, so if you can see, there's little markings, and that says 3/4 of a cup near the top. But if we fill this container all the way up to the top with water, it's to the top that it's almost overflowing, it's only 3/4 of a cup. So, this is wrong. But it doesn't matter. We're going to use it anyway. Okay, so now we know that when they say add a cup, they don't physically mean an actual measuring cup of rice. They just mean like the entirety of this, even though there's lines marked on this. And I now know that if you fill this up all the way to the top, you've got 3/4 of a cup. So if I ever lose this, or eventually when I lose this or break this, I know 3/4 of a cup will match up on these backward lines of this pot. Cool. So today, we're going to use some rice. I bought the rice because it said excellent for everyday use. Very important. I like using rice for everyday stuff. And then fill your rice up in this cup, dump it in. Now, what you want to do is you want to, I don't see if you can see this, you want to fill up the water to the appropriate line. So since we added 2 of these cups of water, 2 of these cups of rice, we're going to fill up to the line of 2. So in theory, if my math is all good, that'd be 3 cups of water. Okay, so this is our pressure cooker, or our rice cooker. There's our rice with water in it. What we want to do is just place it in as gently as possible, which is always good. Then we're going to close the lid. I think that's closed. And then I guess we press the power button, because I have no idea what we're doing. I read the manual, kinda. And then we press white rice. And in theory, this should work. Okay, thank you for watching Super Serious Cooking. This week we learned about rice math. We also did stuff with a measuring cup that we learned that wasn't a very good measuring cup. Watch us next week when we will probably do something with that rice we cooked. And maybe some seaweed and some fish and a gift I received in Christmas. Alright, catch us then.